Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Saturday, right? It's the weekend, but had to come to you guys just to kind of give you an update on the stock market from this week. So, before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So let's talk about it. We had a great week this past week, at least in my opinion, right? That's opinionated. We had a great week this past week, and the market pretty much rallied. Like as I've been telling you all, I think we are bullish. We are going bullish. But you all know with those green days, what happens? Comes red days. So we have to be aware of not just that we've been seeing things green, but that it has the potential to turn around. So let's take a look at it, right? So we know the Dow was up 1.27% for the day on Friday. The S&P 500 was up 1.73%. The NASDAQ was up 2.09%, and the Russell was up 2.09%. With that VIX coming down a high and heavy 3.32%. Now these numbers are important because what I've been talking to you all about, right? We've been looking at this thing every day to see, are we officially out of the bull market and starting a new bull market. We are at 16.73%, so 3.3% more, and we are out of here. We are looking at a new bull market. At least for the S&P 500, we already know that the NASDAQ has already done this thing and the Russell has already done this thing. Let's see what the Dow looks like. The Dow, 12.96% right now, right? I'll make sure I got the low point. I think that was the low point, so 12.96%. So another 8% was 7.1%, and we out of here on the Dow. So those are the two indexes. Those are the major ones for sure that we need to keep our eyes on going forward. Now, I know this past week was a good week, right? So anytime we have good weeks like this, we're up 2% for the week on the SP. We're up almost 2% for the Dow on the past week, up 1.65 for the NASDAQ, and that's on the week now. And we're up 3.26 on the Russell for the past week. Anytime we have great weeks like that, you can surely expect a pullback coming soon. I don't know if this will be Monday or Tuesday next week or anything like that. But you all know we're going to trade with the charts, right? I just want you all to be expecting a pullback. Right now, we know that we're running off the adrenaline and the excitement from the low CPI numbers. CPI numbers coming in better than expected. And also the Fed potentially calming down on the interest rate hikes. So going forward, I know that essentially they're bloating about another 1.5% or 1.75% increase for this year. With 3 more months, we're going to say 3 more months remaining. So what does that mean? 0.75, 0.5, or, who knows? Because we know they're not doing one in the month of August. So that gives us September, October, November, December, right? September, October, November, December. For those remaining months that we have to get that increase in. So if they do that, the Fed could potentially be the ones to bring the market back down. Now we know it's not happening this week. We know it's not happening next week. But it's just things to keep in mind. As of right now, I am loving the green. And hopefully you all have been partaking in it too. I mean, options should have been going crazy. Your stock account should have been rebounding. If you've been dollar cost averaging, you should be seeing yourself getting in profit on many of your stocks, right? So that's really what we're looking forward to. That's really what we're hoping for. Right now, one of the things that's really exciting me is this fear and greed. We got a 55, you all. We're getting towards the greed. You all know what I told you, right? When we start seeing that greed, oh man, we're going to start eating. That's when it starts eating, right? That's when things start going green. And we can really make money in here like crazy. And that's just not only trading options, but that's investing in our favorite stocks and companies. Because you're a business owner, right? When you buy a piece of that company, when you buy a stock, you become part owner of that company. So when things hit greed, that's when we should really start seeing ourselves making some money. And I'm really looking forward to it, and hopefully you all too. As of right now, I don't have anything new outside of crypto should be recovering, just like the stock market, right? I know we haven't been talking about crypto much because I told you all I have a portfolio where I leave some stuff alone in it and I don't touch it. But crypto has been trading sideways, but Ethereum has a positive catalyst coming, and that is the merge. So we could potentially see Ethereum along with Bitcoin go crazy, because when one crypto goes crazy, the remainder go crazy with it. So you all, if you're a crypto trader, if you like to have crypto, Hopefully you bought it low when we were in that crypto winter. That was the time to invest. I told you I left it alone. I have my set price targets. So when it hits that price target, I buy it then. I don't worry about the FUD or any of that. And right now, I think I've actually been taking pieces of profit out of it as it's been going back up. So that's how we do, right? You got to keep the cash flow, keep it circulating, keep it continuing to make you money. As long as crypto floats in this range, there really isn't much money to be made. So that's why I've been trading stocks, because the high volatility, the high up and down of prices creates a lot of money to be made. And if you've been following my Instagram or Facebook, then you should have been seeing some of those profits I've been taking. Okay, so I'll be following up another video for you all tomorrow. Do not forget that this week's wealthy word is identity. So make sure you take a look at it. I mean, take a moment to self-reflect. Take a moment to create some good habits. Take a moment to change some things around within yourself. Develop some good habits. If you need to, take time to do that, because on this journey, hey, every day we're learning, every day we're growing. So hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you take a moment to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all later.